Then if you reach late at your destination, like you were supposed to be there at 7.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. So you had a good morning and afternoon?
Yeah,
Does it happen something that the morning starts not very fine?
yeah. Sometime it's happened, but my today's morning is very good. You can say,
Today morning was very good. Yeah.
yeah, was very good. Yeah,
Okay. So what happens when you feel in the morning that it's not good, it's not good, or it has not started nicely?
yeah. Whenever I feel this type of situation or emotion, that time start. That time I start uh, like
My
not
day has
as
started.
yeah.
My day has.
My day has started little like I go silent. Like I don't want to talk anyone when
Talk
something
to
wrong happen.
anyone.
Yeah, when something wrong happened with me or anyone.
So you can say when something wrong happens to me, I normally don't talk to anyone.
Yeah,
Right. So supposingly something goes bad and something you were not expected, the negative one happens. So do you break down? Have you ever broken down?
yeah, yeah. It's natural. Like sometimes we feel like it how things are not going good with me, so we start thinking like we have give up now. Like, we do give up now.
Okay. So no, breakdown is sometimes you start crying. That is the breakdown. Something has not
Okay,
gone
okay, yeah,
right. It went wrong, and then you just start crying. You can't help it. That is breakdown. So have you ever
yeah,
broken
yeah.
down
It
like that?
happens. Yeah, it happens with me so many times. Like I'm very sensitive girl. You can
Frequently.
see.
Frequently,
Yeah,
you can say. It happens
yeah,
frequently when. Okay, okay. And then after the breakdown, you feel better?
yeah. Little better, not that much, but like I'm a deep thinker also, so I start thinking that thing again and again, and it makes me very sad.
Stressed?
Yeah,
Yeah. So what do you do to remove your stress?
yeah. One thing, as you said, like breakdown. After this, we feel some
Relief.
relax or relief. Yeah,
Relief.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Either we
other
will
thing,
say relaxation or relief. Yeah.
yeah. And other thing I usually do, I start watching any motivational movie or motivational uh, clip like this, or sometimes we start talking with anyone who motivates me, like any old people, like sometimes my
Old.
mother,
Okay.
sometimes my father. I start talking
Elder
with them.
ones. Elder
Yeah,
ones. Sometimes you talk to elder ones. So what
yeah.
are the normal stresses that come in our life? Let's find out. Normal stresses that come in our life. It is common with almost everyone. Like one I'll start with, like
Yeah,
you have to get up and you have fixed up alarm for 6 o'clock, but you oversleep, and by the time you get up it is 6:30. So first stress in the morning. So how do you handle it?
yeah. Yeah, today it happened with me because I missed
Okay.
two session two session
Okay.
because
Okay.
I slept like last night I slept at 4 a.m. So I missed
Okay.
two sessions because two sessions I woke up at 9:30 and first session I booked at 8 a.m. and other one is 8:40 and I
Other
woke
one
up.
was
Yeah, other
okay.
one was 8:40 and I woke up at 9:30, so I missed that session. So yeah, we can say today's morning is not so very good.
Today morning was.
was,
was
yeah,
not so good because you woke up late,
yeah,
right? And you know that is the initiation of the stress, because then you go in the circle of stress. So one
yeah,
thing, the other thing, and it goes on, right? And sometimes it happens that you, how do you commute to anywhere if you have to go? How do you go? You go on your own scooty or car, or how do you go?
yeah. I usually go on public transport or the metro.
Okay, you go by metro.
Yeah,
Okay, so you sometimes the stress is that you had to go in metro C supposedly,
yeah.
and by mistake you land up in metro A, in the wrong one. Has it ever
Yes.
happened?
Not like that, but I missed my station so many times because
Yes.
whenever I feel sad or stressed, that time I forgot everything around what
Forget
happened, what happening, what happening around me, like
what is happening
where
around
I'm
you.
going. Yeah,
Okay, so it
so
has happened.
it
So then
happened with me, but yeah, it has
you
happened.
will never say it's happened. You will say it happens. It happens. It
It
always calls
happens.
for an S. It happens. Never it's happened. No, it happens. Right? So it has happened with you. So then
Yeah.
what do you do? What do you do? Do you feel panic? Now what will I do? Where to go? Like
No,
that.
I am very stable. I am a stable person, so I start thinking about this, like how silly I am. So I wait another metro. I
I wait
like
for another metro.
yeah, and go back to that station. And after that, I reached my destination where I want to
I
go.
reach my destination. No, but then if you reach late at your destination, like you were supposed to be there at 7, but now it is 8. So then,
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is very big problem with me.
yeah.
So that is
Mhm.
why whenever I feel stressed, then I avoid to go outside.
Okay, okay. So you
Yeah.
don't come out of the house because of this. Don't tell me
Yeah,
that, okay?
sometime whenever I feel very
Sometimes.
bad. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And sometimes, happens that you had to go to your friend. You
Yeah.
fixed up that we'll be meeting at 11:30.
Yeah.
Okay, but you just miss that in your mind, and
Yeah.
then you feel that we have to meet at 12:30, and you reach there by 12:30 when everybody is gone.
Yeah.
So,
So like it would be very bad situation for me or my friend also because I am the one like he was also waiting for me. So yeah, that is like I am that situation. I am not answer. I'm not in a situation when I give give to answer her like what happened with me. So it it will
so
it
would
yeah.
you ever tell a lie for that, or would you say yes, it was because of this?
No, I never tried to lie anyone. Like I usually yeah I can say her like what happened. I want to
So you
tell
will
truth.
say, I never tell a lie to everyone. You will not say
Yeah,
it. I never tell a lie to everyone. So I will tell her that this happened,
yeah,
right?
this
So that
happened.
is why, yeah, this happened. So that is why I am late here.
Yeah,
So just keep consciously thinking about was, because your main, otherwise you are speaking all right, but the only thing you have to improve is where you have to use was, where you have to use second form of verb. So that is one point you have to take care, right?
yeah,
And supposingly you are getting ready, and when you are wearing your dress you find that doesn't fit you properly,
Yeah, it happens with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, like so there are so many options. I can go with another dress.
Okay. But supposingly you go to a party, you are wearing a shoes, a pair of shoes, and then when you are moving to the hall, you find that your shoe has broken, your sandal has broken.
Yeah, it is very unexpected situation
No,
to
but
me. It
after COVID, this was quite common because we didn't wear our formal sandals for 2 3 years. And when it was with many people, so when they wore it to a party or to a formal function, so in on the way it just broke up.
broken. Yeah.
So what will you do if it happens?
So I try. I will. I. I will try to go back. I will. I will try to
Go
uh
back.
back. Go back. Yeah, because
But it is far off. You have come to a banquet hall, on, let's assume, let it be a wedding, so it won't be easy for you to go back even
so
if
yeah,
you've
it
come
is
to a
not easy
party.
to me. Yeah, it is not easy to me with a broken sandal. I can enjoy the party.
Okay,
I
so you'll
cannot
go
enjoy the
back.
party.
You
Yeah,
you will go back.
if there any shop, so I would like to buy new pair. But if there
Okay,
is no chance, so yeah, I ask my friend
I
like
will
if
ask.
yeah, I will ask my friend if she have any
She
pair.
has. She
Yeah, she
has
has any pair. Uh,
extra
other,
pair. Any
yeah,
extra pair? Yeah.
otherwise I would like to go back.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Now another situation. You are in a hurry, you missed your alarm, and then you got late in your breakfast, getting ready. When you were getting ready, the t-shirt was not pressed, with so many wrinkles. So finally, you are late for the metro. So with much effort, you get into the metro, and when it has started, you feel that you have left your phone home.
Oh, okay. So yeah, what what I do? Yeah,
What I will do, yeah.
yeah. So I have reached or not? Like I am in the
No,
way
no,
on the
you
way.
have just entered, yeah, you're on the way, not in the way, you are on the way,
On
and
the
you have
way.
entered metro, the doors have been closed, and after a few minutes, you find that, oh, where's my phone?
So yeah, uh I would like to call anyone who like with
From where would you call? You don't have a phone.
I will ask to anyone like if they give
Request.
me
I will request anybody. Yeah.
yeah, I will request anybody if mm, they give me their
Allow me.
phone, so I
Yeah, if they
allow
allow
me. Yeah,
me.
so I will contact any one of my family member
Mhm.
and
Members. When we say any one
members
of, then we always say S. Any one of my friends, any one of my family members. Yes.
members to take care of my phone first,
Okay.
and yeah, and I will go where I want to go.
But naturally, you will have tough time. Nowadays, it's very tough to stay without a
Yeah,
phone. You
without
have so
phone.
many
Yeah,
things connected to a phone. So let's not take more stress now. Okay.
yeah.
So that's
Okay, thank
enough for the session.
you.
Okay.
Yeah,
So see
ma'am.
you in your next session, Priyanka. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
All
Thank
the
you.
best. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.